So we're at the seedlings section.
And we found Callaloo.
You find it? You serious?
Callaloo red leaf. Oh my gosh, is that sorrel?
Yeah, that's actually sorrel.
That is sorrel.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Welcome back, Island family. This is your girl Maria.
Yeah, Island boy, Africa.
And little Bobo at the back there. Island, say hi. Okay, he's in a mood, guys, as usual. Today he's just not in the mood. He went out all day yesterday, went to the beach and that with some family, and yeah, he's just been off charts the last couple of hours. Anyways, guys, we're here today. Firstly, coming to Bunnings because we haven't been since the floods, but we're here to get some plants for home, and just basically just shop around, get some dirt and things, and yeah, see what's up.
Yeah, man.
So guys, let's go. We're on a roll now.
We on a roll now. Let's go now. Look at Bobo. Have his own little trolley. Island. Hi. So we're at the seedlings section.
And we found Callaloo.
You find it? You serious?
Callaloo red leaf.
Oh, no, let me focus. You serious?
Yeah.
What? We definitely have to go try this.
Yeah, definitely gonna plant these, guys.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna give it to Bobo, and Bobo, put this in your trolley. Put it in your trolley. Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, very good. Another plants. We should plant some tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good idea.
That's a good idea too.
They have garden gloves. These ones look small though.
Oh yeah, that's a little baby.
Yeah. Island
Oh,
ones.
Island. You want some island?
You think
Island pops. Get one of those for you.
I think they're too big. What you reckon?
Put them in your trolley. Oh, look at the kind of melons they sell, guys. Oh my gosh, is that sorrel?
Yeah, that's actually sorrel.
That is sorrel.
You serious?
Yeah, get it. We'll try and plant it.
Right.
No, if you don't.
I have sorrel here, guys.
We got okra seeds.
I believe we do. Yeah. Pepper. What kind of peppers are those?
They're not. They're just capsicums. They're not like red peppers.
Oh,
so what you want is habaneros.
Those are the ones that we bought recently?
Yeah, but they're not Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. What do you reckon?
Not sure. I will just work with these for now.
For now?
Because we have some pepper that we're hoping to come up at the garden there.
Sure.
Yeah, so
Alright, let's go.
we'll work with these.
Work with that. We should get some tomato though.
Yeah.
We'll have to get one next time.
Hello.
Island, the other way. Other way. This way, Bobo. No, this way. This way. Babes. Oh, check out this ride-on mower, babes. Yeah, guys, we're looking for a ride-on mower too because our yard is so big. So we need to get like something that's
You have something like that, you could,
Yeah.
I could literally even cut people's yard and they pay me.
That's exactly right. It is definitely a business mindset right there. It's really good. All right, outside. We're going outside. Keep going straight. Come on.
Really good.
The setting's different, yeah. Island, this way. We're going this way. Come on. We're gonna get some. No, come on, over here. This way. Island. Alright. Yeah, we'll grab one of those, babes. Island. Hey, gotta be careful where you're going. Yeah? Yeah? Go back that way. We're gonna go around. Come on. Good boy. Garden soil. Water mulch.
Island.
Should we get some water saving mulch? We should get one of these. Should we?
What is this one? Reduce weed growth.
Improves water retention, reduces weed growth.
For entire garden. Yeah, good.
Yeah, just take another one of those. Yeah. Island. I've never seen these before. A bit
What's it called?
black sapote, black Tahiti. They're like a fruit, eh? Something like that. And there's pear at the back there. Fuerte. They call it fuerte. Yeah. Island this way. And then they got Haas avocado. Avocado tree plant. So many plants and that to choose from. Pawpaw, look in front of you. I don't really eat that fruit though. Island, be careful. Ow. Bobo, be careful. Daddy and Island shopping. This way. This is really pretty. But I need to read before I can buy this one. Okay. No, we won't grab those. You got heaps of those in Jamaica, yeah?
Yeah. It's almost like a fish pot wire.
Oh yeah, you can buy them. Chicken netting. Oh wow.
They look similar.
For the chickens, babes.
Yeah.
And just kind of close them off. Oh, they got like a, babe, they've got like a smaller one or a cheaper price for the chickens them.
Yeah.
Chicken, do you want to buy a wire? Ivy. Don't be mean to the plant.
Island, leave it.
Hey,
It's not yours.
do you want to buy one or not?
Probably get one up there.
Probably like the smaller one, just around there where they sleep. Keep them in there. So guys, you go crazy here, like looking for the right island. He just dropped his trolley. Pick it up. Yeah, you go crazy here guys for the plants and stuff. There's like so many to choose from. But yeah, I'm only here just to get something nice and that's it. Otherwise I'll just go be like, I want that, and I want that. So no, I'm gonna do that.
Flowers are beautiful.
Beetroot. I'm gonna plant some beetroot.
Yeah, I love beetroot. Let's start off with what we have first and then
Oh, okay.
we pick up from there.
Alright, well I'm taking some capsicum though, some sweet
Yeah,
capsicum. Yeah, put that in a little plant thing. Ouch! Island boy, calm down. Calm down, Island, come on. Cheeky boy. Eggplant, cucumber. Red onion. Snoopy. Come on, Island. Keep walking. Come on. I'm waiting for you, Bobo. Black Russian tomato.
I don't see any melon.
Huh?
Any melon?
Melon, like a watermelon on the other side maybe. Come Island, come this way, come on. Island, this way, come on. Island. Look at that thyme pot there. It already grow. That's nice.
These are the beans. These are grow like on fence and all that.
Oh
In
really?
Jamaica, I plant them.
Oh okay, those beans there.
Yeah.
Nice. Silver beet. Silver beet, I think they said silver beet is like Callaloo. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Is it silver beet?
Not sure. Find out the name.
It's actually, yeah, well, if it's a red seed, maybe. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Kale sprout. Mustard giant red. Do you want to take a small thyme?
Where are they?
Right in front of us. Sage. Palm,
Yeah.
thyme. Let's take one. You can plant it.
I love smell time.
You have to smell thyme.
I just love smelling.
Yeah. Well, what's this? Oh, rhubarb. Rhubarb. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, eating. For eating. Pumpkin. That's pumpkin.
We need to get a thumbnail of the whole garden.
Yeah. All right.
Just face it for us. Yes. Get the garden in the background.
You said melon, eh?
Melon.
They're really nice. They're my favorite. They're my favorite beans, actually. Yeah.
I can grow it.
Nice with
I would have to have like a fencing. You know, like a big branch of one of those trees and you let it grow on it.
Oh, yeah, with like sticks and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, yep. I know what you're talking about. Baby, they're chilies. Look, Santa Grande. I've never tried them. They're different. They got red hot chili there. I'm looking for Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
Alright. Maybe on the other side, babes. Maybe this one, babe, is Callaloo. Similar. Kale Tuscan black. I'm not sure. Anyways. It's nice to have a look.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Swilly, chili habaneros. I think the other side maybe have a lemons. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, you push. Come on, push. Oh, strawberries in front of you.
Oh, they're already. That's how small they start growing strawberry?
Yeah, yeah, from there.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know, for some reason in my mind I thought strawberry tree was like a bigger tree.
Nah,
Look at this guy. This
they're quite small.
is literally a strawberry berry on there already.
I'm gonna give this a go, guys, and see how good it plants out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okra, red okra.
Red okra.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before, guys.
Neither have I. That's the first time I've seen
Island?
that.
Let it go.
Oh, look, petunias.
Island.
Petunias are nice. Oh, yeah, my pomegranate tree is not doing too good.
I've never seen this before.
Let's show them people.
Guys, literally, I didn't even know red okra exists. Tell me if you know about this. What?
Get some Welsh onions, babe.
Welsh?
Yeah,
Scallion?
scallion. Yeah, grab those.
They have different names. Scallion.
Yeah, scallion's different too. Just get one of those as well. Definitely. I've still got a sorrel garden, English sorrel. What's that?
I don't know.
Is it a fruit? English sorrel, guys. Spring and so it's just spring and Welsh onions, parsley, rocket, similar family.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. No,
Aloe vera. Aloe vera is good. French herb pack. Strawberry. Kale. Sweetheart. Chives. More thyme. Oregano. Smell this, babe.
Island?
I use that in pastas and that.
Slow down.
Not. Alright, I can't find any melon or lemon or melon.
This is
Here.
Island?
Yep.
Slow down.
Alright, let's go. I want inside plant. Oh, go straight ahead. Island, come here.
This way.
Island. Bye, Island. Monster. Here, they got assorted veggies. Oh, look, they've already got the tomatoes sort of springing out, babes.
Yeah.
Probably cheaper than the seedlings, actually. Isn't it?
It's already.
Yeah, it's already sort of growing, so yeah, let's get that. And you got the thyme, a smaller thyme.
We got one time. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want, oh shoot. Alright, so let's take this then. Might take that, put that capsicum one back.
Island. Put them inside, leave them inside.
This one looks quite healthy, would you say? Yeah, and the seedling will just take it back. And there's more thyme there, guys, growing. Cool. Alright. Oh no. We'll just grab another one. What is it?
It's the capsicum.
Just grab another one here. Yeah. Don't knock it in me. Don't knock it. Hang on, let me ask the lady something. Hi, I'm just looking for all your indoor plants.
So they're just inside. As soon as you walk.
Inside walk. Oh, okay, thank you. Cheers, thank you. Come on, let's go. Whoa, look at the big monkey. Gorilla. $1,000 for this thing, babe. $1,000 for this. Come on, this way, Island. Let's go. Follow Dad. Follow Dad. You got scared of it. All right, come on, go. Follow Dad. Keep walking, Bobo. Come on. Bobo. Bobo, watch where you're going. Bobo. In here, babes. Island. Come on. Oh, inside there. Inside plants. Come on. Just keep an eye on him because there's a bit. Island. Ah, you're going to run over everybody's feet. Alright, so I'm looking for indoor plants. Nice indoor. Where is he? Island. Hey, 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 be careful. Come on. Island this way, come on. It's a big hardware store. All the way. Ah, that's a good question. Keep going. It looks a bit different, no? All the cleaning stuff. Oh, what an accident! Oh. Ah. Nah, through to flooring. I forgot everything's changed because of the floods. Come this way. Island. Trouble. Come on, Island. This way. This way. 32. Down that way. Yep. Yeah, so lots of things have sort of rearranged itself after the floods. They've just put things in different places. You good? Come on, Island, let's go. Careful, don't run into anyone. Come on. Oh, babe, aren't they cute? Look at these guys. Oh, look, Bubba. Garden statues for the garden. No, don't touch anything, mister. It looks like it's going to collapse. I don't want to get in trouble. Come on, let's go. This way. Yeah, keep going. 32. Number 32. Number 32. Oh, spider. Cockroach. Come on, let's go. Come on, keep going, come on. All right, you want mommy to help you push? I push. Slow down. Oh, we're almost there. 32. Come on, this way. Island.
This way.
Sorry, I did. Thank you. Babes, in chemical. Wait, Island, kiss Dada. Kiss Dada. Oh, look, Dada crashed your trolley. Oh, big accident. Why did Dada crash your trolley, huh? Don't touch that. Come on, let's go. We'll go yum yum. All right, let's go get yum yum. Come on, let's go, mister, this way. See, they're $63 the tables.
Okay. Come on.
Can I just have one more look up here? I just want to have a look one more. can never make up my mind. Sorry. So guys, we've done our shopping, we got what we came for. You guys will see probably in the next video us planting our veggies and whatnot and seeds. So thank you very much guys for if you got this far into the vlog.
Yeah man.
Arlen was so naughty.
Yeah, him even threw over one of the plant, them tomato plant.
All over the floor.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Happy days to us.
Yeah,
hey
man.
baby?
Yeah.
Alright. Stay tuned guys. Bye.
Catch you in the next one.
Next one. What's up?
Blessings.